Editing commands in Sketch environment. The first is Modify. Run the command and then click on this dimension. In Modify Dimension dialog box, you can modify and edit the dimensions value. We will explain the dimensions commands completely in the future video tutorials. Okay, it's good. Now deactivate the dimension display, and then run the Modify command and click on this spline. OK. By default the spline created using interpolation points. In Point tab, you can drag the points and change the shape of spline. Drag and move the other points more and test it again. Change it to local coordinate system, and now you can write your new values to X and Y items. OK. Now change the spline type to using control points. Now you can see it. Move and drag control points. Try to do it and complete the job. Test it more and finish it. Also click on Curvature Analysis Tools. Change the scale and density of analysis. In Fit tab, Sparse. Change the deviation value more and more. And see the new shape of spline. Also in Smooth, increase its value, and see the new shape of spline. Next command is Delete Segment. This command trimmed the sketch entities smart. Test it. Click on Optionally Location of the lines and see the operation of this command. Smart Trim. OK. Test it more and more. Try to do it and complete the job. And the next command is Corner. It's enough to select two different lines. Do it. OK. Now you can see the operation of this command. This is important and powerful command. And the next is Mirror. First in graphic window. Select this shape. OK. And then click and run the command. Now select this center line as mirror line. OK. Now you can see the operation of this command. Very good. And the next command is Divide. Run it and click on this line. Click everywhere of line and see the separation of line on its point. You can test it after separation, and these points are created in separation location. OK. It's very good. Test it more and more, and then repeat this action on this spline. Test it again. OK. It's very good. Next command is Rotate Resize. First select the sketch entity to active this command. Now click and run it. OK. In dialog box, you can move, rotate or scale the selected sketch entity. First option is Move. See the horizontal and vertical values. Both of them are 0. drag the middle circle of selected shape. OK. It's very good. Move it to desired location. You can see the changes on horizontal and vertical values. Also, you can write your desired value in this boxes to move it with accuracy. Test it more and more. Write your desired values in horizontal and vertical boxes and complete the movement. It's very good. The next option is rotate. Drag and move this icon to rotate the model. Do it and complete the job. OK. Very good. Also here you can write your desired value in degree and complete the rotation. OK. Try to do it and finish the job. And then, scale. Drag this icon to do it. Test it in graphic window. Or write your desired value in this box to scale the model with accuracy. Test it and complete the job.